Well, hello. Thank you for clicking in. This is the vintage jewelry haul slash auction preview for the week of May 3rd and 5th. So it's 2 nights, 1 auction, Wednesday the 3rd and Friday the 5th of May at 7 p.m. Eastern. And it's all the things from my last thrifting video, which was the greatest of all time video. If you haven't seen that, I'll put the link to it up here. It's worth checking out. The starting bids are going to be really great. There is one thing that is going to be a little bit different. If you've been around a while, you know that I take absentee bids and maximum bids, and then your bids don't go up unless you are bid against, right? And we are going to continue to do that. The thing is, with this, okay, so here's the news. I got this one, right? And it was a very strange kind of, this is sterling silver yellow horse vintage concho belt with amazing turquoise. And then the one that I didn't get was sort of, I want to say, bugging me, like that I didn't get it. And so I got up really early to make sure that I got it before the video came out, and I went and I got it, and here it is, right? And this is also clearly marked very heavy. This one is still vintage, but later. And then the video went live, and I was contacted by the Yellow Horse family on the reservation in Arizona, and they said that they would like it to come home, to go back to the reservation. They would like both of them. They're very interested in both of them. In the meantime, I have been getting communications from this community, from you, who I respect and love and don't want to disappoint. So I've been navigating what the right thing to do is. I really do feel like they need the first opportunity, but I also need to be fair to you and fair to myself. So here's what I came up with. You let me know in the comments if you think it's a good idea, or if there's any way that I can improve. If you know what you're doing, like, if you have experience selling and auction and all of that stuff, and you have good advice, please do share it. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm going to put these in for the date, right? The usual date ending on the 5th, as if they were in the auction, but I'm going to just be taking offers on them. So if you are interested, right, if you're a part of this group and I know you, right, and you would like one of these, then please do let me know your maximum bid, okay? And whoever in the group, as if you were bidding, right? And whoever that person is, if you are the top bidder, I will contact you and I will let you know, okay, your maximum offer was higher than everybody else's. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact the Yellow Horse family, and I'm going to let them know what that number is. And if they want to take it home, then they have to bid higher than that. Okay, they have to make another offer. So they're sort of getting, I think in real estate, it would be called like first refusal. I think that's what it's called. Or they're getting like a soft hold. I've heard it called a soft hold. So I think that that's like a really good way to navigate it, because I do very much need to show it to you and give you the opportunity. I need to price it. I don't know how to price it. So whatever your top bid is, if they didn't contact me, that's what it would have been. So I think it's fair to me. I think it's fair to you. And I think it's fair to them. Please let me know what you think. Okay. It's different. I know it's just this one time. And it's because these pieces have a lot of soul. They have, they're blessed before they leave, and they have a lot of soul, and the ancestors I mean, it's just a very weird story. The person who saw these, I actually spoke with them on the phone, and it came from Arizona. Like, you know, the call was in Arizona from the last name on it was Yellow Horse. That was who was calling me. So-and-so Yellow Horse from Arizona. So they never watched a jewelry video before, and they never watched any of my videos before, and they stumbled across it and saw it. So that's the story. That being said, let's get to the regular haul auction preview, okay? Not in any particular order. We'll start with the rings because these came obviously from the same collection. This is beautiful. Look at that turquoise. I don't have starting bids yet, but they will be in the description box below this video. I always put the list of what is at auction underneath the haul preview video and in the auction video as well, and the links will be down there. The links to the auctions will be under the video as well as the description, so all the information will be there for you, okay? But this is incredible. It's that beautiful, beautiful light turquoise. This is a size, it's about a 9. I think it's really a 10. It's a 10, okay? That's a size 10. It's beautiful. Totally sizable. If you want me to size your rings, I can always size your rings. There's a place that I go to that is very reasonable, and I just charge you what they charge me. This is an incredible piece. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show them like this. Okay, there's that one. And that is a size 8. There's this one. Look at that stone. Look, I mean, seriously. Okay, and this is a large one. So, but always sizable. We will say this is a size, I'm going to guess it's an 11. And it's an 11. Okay. All right, so we'll put that one here. And then finally the baby, and this has the same turquoise as what is in this belt, and it's special turquoise. It's very special. It's a very bright, deep blue, okay, with black matrix. So, okay, all of this is coming up the week of the 3rd and the 5th of May at 7 p.m. Eastern. Okay, links in the description. This is coming up. This is that carved wood. I have bought this in the past, things like this. I have one from Iris Apfel that I paid over $100 for retail. These are really cool. This one's authentic from the 70s. This is in no particular order, by the way. The order that I go in will be in the description. The list will show you the order. Oh, the things. Almost forgot the things. This little guy, he's going to be coming up this next week, and he will make you happy. If you are not happy, he has some ability to you just look at him and your mood is lifted. And if you touch him, you go from unhappy to happy. He is truly the bluebird of happiness. I'm going to be putting the Wedgwood in. Okay. And I got the mark off. So, and that'll be fully researched by the time we get to the auction. Also, if there's any metal I need to test, that'll be fully tested by the time we get there. The Kosta Boda, someone corrected me in the comments and said this is pronounced Kosta Boda. I remember, I don't know if that's regional, maybe from East Coast to West Coast or something, or maybe European. Because I always said it the way the people that worked in the store said it. You know, it's like the people, I would walk up and along, it was like on 57th Street, and you know, you go in and browse, and that's how they say it. Look at this, isn't this amazing? And this needs further research too. This is a female designer, and this is a pretty well-known piece, but that's coming up. Same thing with like Napier. There's some people online that say Napier, And it was never that. If you Google the old commercials, you know, that aired on television, they say Napier is naughtier. That was one of their taglines, and it's very clear that they're saying Napier. Also, what else? I mean, you know, the reps, when they, because I'm a shop girl originally, so the reps, when they came to fill in the cases, the Napier, you know, everything, like if you were in a department store, there was a Napier case and a Trifari case and a Swarovski case, you know, and whatever else was there at the time. And all the reps always said Napier. That's what they said. They also said Trifari. They did not say Trifari. So, you know, that's how I say it. The reason I say the things, I mean, sometimes I mispronounce. If it's something I've always only read, I'm sure I butcher it, right? But the things that I've heard the employees say, that's how I repeat it. So what else am I going to show you? So the Michael Dawkins, oh my goodness. So here it is attached. One of these is from last week, and but it wasn't listed in the auction. And then one of these is this week. So, oh, come here, you. So there it is all together. This is quite a remarkable thing. Here it is. On the pink, pretty amazing. It's kind of nonstop forever. You know, all the little details, all the little different things going on, still totally high-end, designer, expensive, luxury, you know, the whole thing. This I'm going to show you up close. See, this is just kind of like, you know, top of the counter, department store of the day, very 1970s. You see the screw there. And this will be coming up. This I think I'm going to do with the new Democratic like random tool. So I'll have like one price on this, and then whoever wants it, you know, you can enter to see if you are the one who gets it. But that way it's fair for everyone, and for the people that can't afford to get things bid up, they can have an opportunity too. There'll be several things coming up that I do that way. This one I love. Look at these. Look at what I'm looking at. Isn't that fabulous? I love this one. Get that on the neck. There you go. Pretty great. The glass. All the different multicolored glass. So nice. The little sterling, look, these are little sterling, and they're not gemstones. They're not testing as gemstones. They look like little blue topaz and peridot. I think they're just crystal briolettes. They're beautiful. Those will be coming up. I'm going to do these Democratic. The Apetite with the coin pearls, and this is a pretty little tassel that moves around. That's super nice. That'll be coming up. The vintage rhinestone. That's actually a deep blue. That's not black. Those are deep, deep blue. This is old. This is really great. It looks new, but it's old. Oh, the feather ring. I almost forgot. The feather ring. I still have to test this. That's why it wasn't with the other ones. I will know by the time we get to the auction if this is silver or not. Isn't it cool, though? The detail that it's like one-sided, you know? Backwards, upside down. There it is. The agate and shell. Looks like amber. It's not. It's agate and shell. That's coming up. This is British. This has the lion passant, which I am actually not sure if I am pronouncing that right. I think I am. And it has little full moons and stars and crosses and hearts. And it has the toggle closure and all the hallmarks. And that is wonderful. This is old. That'll be coming up. This one, this is 14 karat. And oh, I still have to test these. I don't know what these are. I am thinking they're probably CZ, because they have a really good sparkle. They don't look like white topaz to me. They might be spinel, actually. But authentic, beautiful pearls here. And there's some little spacers near here, and then the rest of it is not knotted or spaced. So I think it's a restring. It's so pretty, really high quality. We have the Cerclay. We're going to do the Cerclay sterling silver. All right. And I actually have earrings that I got from last week's video. So I will add those to this. I'll bring them forward a week because they go together. These I'm going to be doing something fun and democratic with. Oh, that looks good that way too. Look at that. That's the back. And then here's the front. I like it both ways. I think there's a way to wear it both ways, depending on what else you're wearing. Okay, I have 2 of these, so that's going to be democratic. It's going to be really fun. I'm probably going to start this at 25. Not start it. I'm probably going to offer it at the OA, offer at 25. So cool. And what else? Did I miss anything? Oh, okay. This is important. So this, I was cleaning the Keshi pearls with the 14 karat clasp. I was giving it a clean. And here it is. And it broke on me. Wah, wah. So I'm going to have this restrung in time. I'm hoping that I can have it restrung in time because the auction won't be until the 3rd and the 5th. I'm hoping to have this in the auction for the 5th. Okay, but you can still put in your absentee bids or whatever once I get it listed. These are coming up. Still haven't tested them at all. Just love them. These might be a giveaway. I don't know. They're really cool. The big giant one. This is fantastic. This really is a good one. And then do I have anything else in here? I think that is everything. If I end up adding more, I'll do a surprise haul pop-up, to like a surprise haul preview pop-up to add more before we get there. All right. But in the meantime, thank you for watching. I will see you at the auction and also Sunday's video. All right. Thanks. Bye.